A mistake many beginner writers make is to assume that everything they've read while preparing for their assignment is inherently true, simply because it has been published in an academic journal or a book. Similarly, another mistake is to assume that being critical means that they should only disagree with the source. However, writing critically is not exactly that. To make this clearer for you, let's begin with an explanation of what criticality actually means. Criticality comes from an understanding of a subject and taking information from many places, for example, lectures, journal articles or books. Then you can use this information to form your own opinions and ideas about a subject. Critical writing analyzes and evaluates information, usually from multiple sources, in order to develop an argument. So when you hear that you need to be more critical in your writing, you need to make sure that you include the following. 1. A balanced presentation of reasons why the conclusions of other writers may be accepted, or may need to be treated with caution. 2. A clear presentation of your own evidence and argument, leading to your conclusion. 3. A recognition of the limitations in your own evidence, argument, and conclusion. Remember that when writing critically, you are developing a reasoned argument and participating in an academic debate. Essentially, you are persuading your reader of your position on the topic at hand. Remember, your critical writing requires analysis and discussion, rather than merely description. You need the answers to the why and how, not the what. To help you understand this better, try to focus on writing answers to the questions related to your topic, such as:
why is it significant?
Think about the importance of the issue. For example, for the country, local residents, or the environment.
Why is it relevant to your argument?
Here we are asking for an explanation, or justification, why you want to include a particular point, piece of information, or idea from another source, into your writing. You should clarify the connection between the presented idea and the overall point or thesis you are trying to convey.
How does it relate to other literature?
Show connections and relationships between sources and the way they present the topic. For example, do they build upon, challenge, or contribute to the existing body of knowledge within that field?
How can a theory be put into practice?
Here you are expected to provide insights into the practical implications and applications of the theory. This might involve discussing specific examples, case studies, or scenarios where the theory can be used.
Why are you not persuaded by the argument?
With this question, provide a thoughtful analysis of the weaknesses, flaws, or shortcomings you perceive in the argument. This might involve pointing out logical fallacies, insufficient evidence, contradictory information, or any other factors that, in your view, make the argument difficult to persuade you.
How does it lead you to reach your conclusion?
This question asks you to explain the logical or rational process by which you arrived at a specific conclusion. This might involve discussing relevant evidence, logical deductions, critical analysis, or any other considerations that played a role in your decision-making process. When writing, you can use evidence from your sources. But remember to be selective. You don't have to include everything you have read, or refer to everything in the same depth in your essay or a literature review. Only include research, which is relevant, and which helps you understand more about your own investigation. To develop your academic writing skills even more, watch this video next and learn how to integrate evidence from various academic sources into your essay, dissertation, or any other type of academic writing.